Hello and welcome everyone. I am Dipali Khetrapal, an NLP practitioner. I am here to discuss with you certain core values which may seem small but play an important role in achieving success in life. Do hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss upcoming episodes. So, we will be discussing the meaning of these values through various examples and stories and how we can imbibe these values and make them a part of our life. What comes to mind when we think of Mother Teresa, Amitabh Bachchan, Usain Bolt, Lance Armstrong, Sachin Tendulkar, to name a few? They are legends in their respective fields. How did they achieve so much in life that they have become role models? Through dedication. Yes, that is what we are discussing today. Dedication. What does dedication mean? Dedication is the act of being fully devoted to something, whether this is something tangible, a goal, or desired outcome, or something that you can feel yourself physically being a part of, such as a cause, religion, sports teams, or another person. A person who is dedicated is defined as devoted to a task or purpose, having single-minded loyalty or integrity. Now, who can you be dedicated to? Dedicated to a family. Most of us can relate to this. For example, the dedication of a parent can be evidenced by ensuring the child is loved, safe, healthy, confident, and educated. Dedication, recognition, and devotion to God or a higher power. Consciously living our lives with others in mind. Dedication to a career or job. A person who takes the time to learn more than their assigned role. The person who stays to get the work done. Generally speaking, the person has what it takes and goes the extra mile. Dedication to a goal. A goal might be a student trying to make the honor roll, an athlete trying to beat a record. In each of these examples, the person is trying to meet an objective and doing so with a sense of purpose and integrity. Let's discuss some characteristics of dedicated people. Dedicated people make commitments. They set goals. They establish a plan or a path to success. Dedicated people believe in themselves and their ability to achieve their goals. Dedicated people are passionate about the commitments they make and the goals they set. Dedicated people break down their objective or goals into a plan. As a result, they have clear actionable steps to prioritize and follow. Dedicated people are flexible. Does being a dedicated person mean that your ideas, attitude, and choices must remain the same? No, not at all. Dedication, commitment, success all require flexibility. Dedicated people are self-disciplined. They identify the critical tasks and with self-discipline, they stick to the plan. Dedicated people can voice their commitments as they have thought through their commitments. They can articulate the plan. They can tell you what they're doing, when they're doing it, and what they hope to achieve. Dedicated people are inspiring. They achieve goals in life. Therefore, they inspire others to be more and achieve goals. As a result, dedicated people become role models, like a few names that I mentioned earlier. Stephen Covey, a famous writer, says, "Begin with the end in mind." To begin with the end in mind means to start with a clear understanding of your destination. It means to know where you're going so that you better understand where you are now, so that the steps you take are always in the right direction. In order to truly dedicate yourself to your goals, you must think backwards to begin with the end in mind. This level of dedication requires you to look forward and imagine that you have achieved your goals, and from there you must schedule your most important tasks to make it there, at the expense of all other less important tasks. Reverse engineer the steps to achieve your goals. Instead of starting at the very beginning of the journey towards realizing your goals, start at the finish line. What was the final step you made just before achieving the goal? What was the step before that one, and the step before that one, and so on? When you reverse engineer the steps to achieve your goals, you feel like you have finally been put in the driving seat. Except the only way to get back to where you are is by reversing all the way home. Schedule your priorities. As Covey says in his book, the key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities. Isn't that a profound thought? When you schedule your priorities, there's no way for them to slip through the cracks. You may have in the best of intentions to work on your goals during the upcoming week, but we know that if you don't carve out the time in which to do just that, it's unlikely to happen. Focus only on important, non-urgent tasks. Just as scheduling your priorities is important, it's important to make sure that you're dedicating your time to working on the most essential parts of your goal at any given time. Dedication is one of the most powerful forces we possess with which to shape our lives and realize our goals. This is the story of a charming young Indian cricketer who took the entire world by storm when he hit 6 magnificent sixes in an over in 2011 World Cup. He is none other than our beloved Yuvraj Singh. His struggle began when he was diagnosed with tumor in his left lung. After 3 months, the tumor was confirmed to be cancerous. It came as a shock for everyone. The player, who had just put up a spectacular show in his game, was suffering from cancer all along while playing in the World Cup. He went for his treatment, and within 3 months he was back to playing cricket. Yuvraj lays stress on the importance of accepting the disease, choosing to fight it, and remaining optimistic throughout. When life knocks you down, you have a choice to get up. So get up and do it again. He came back to playing cricket within 3 months of his treatment only because of his dedication to his game. When you are dedicated, you give everything you have, all of your efforts, to a cause or to a task. This is an important trait to exemplify in the workplace in particular. Setbacks occur, and if you're not dedicated, instead of stepping up, you will stay down and disappointed, which could lead you to quit. Dedication is a behavioral characteristic which anyone can achieve with practice. This is your friend Dipali Khetrapal signing off. Stay tuned, keep smiling, God bless.